Good afternoon, people. Hello, welcome back here to these English lessons with the CEC. Yes, we have to continue with the new topics that we have for today. We have means of transportation. We have also the grammar part of the article, indefinite articles, and also some, a lot of, and any. We have some vocabulary when we are traveling and some adjectives to describe these words that help us to describe nouns. Yes? So, first of all, we are going to start with means of transportation. Here we have just the vocabulary about them. Yes? As you can see here, you have different types of transport, yes, that you can use to get to any place. So these are transport facilities used to carry people or cargo, yes? So let's start with the first one that we have here, that is a plane, yes? This is a plane, and we can travel by plane, yes? It is important for us to keep in mind the words, yes? How can we connect them? In this case, we are using, yes, the word travel, viajar. Travel by plane. Yes, that would be here the phrase for us to learn. Travel by plane. Let's continue with the second one here. Yes, in the picture, as you can see, there is also a train. And we can also travel by train. Yes, travel by train. That is the mean of transportation here. Yes, medio de transporte. That is. Now, let's continue here. We can also travel by the underground. Yes, or they are also commonly known as subways. Yes, también son conocidas como los subways. The underground. Yes, underground or subways. So we can travel by them also. Yes, travel by. We also have here a bicycle. Yes, this is the common one that many people have in their houses, a bike. Yes, you can ride a bike, you can travel by bike also. Yes, if you want to move from one place to another, that would be to travel. Yes, travel by bike also. Then, as you can see here in the picture, we have a car. Yes, we can also travel by car. This is the mean of transportation. Yes, a car. Travel by car. And also we can travel by taxi. Yes, taxis are very common all around the world. Yes, also here in Bolivia we have many taxis. Yes, they are not cheaper as the bus, but many people use them. Yes, travel by taxi. This is the phrase that we have to keep in mind here. Yes, travel by taxi. Now, let's see some examples here. Yes, we have 5 examples using different verbs. Not only travel, but we are using also another verbs. For example, in the first picture, as you can see here you can see some students. Yes, they are children and they are going to school. So we can say students go to school by bus. Yes, go to school by bus. This is the mean of transportation here. Go to, el lugar al que nos referimos, ir a. Yes, go to school by bus. Now, in the second example, as you can see here, this is a taxi. Yes, so the man here in the picture goes to work by taxi. Yes, he takes a taxi. The man goes to work by taxi. It is important for us to take this into account. La palabrita by es la que utilizamos en todas, si se fijan. Yes, go to school by bus, go to work by taxi. Then in the third picture, as you can see here, there are many people seated on a plane. Yes, they travel by plane. The word that it is repeated again is by. Yes, travel by plane. Excellent. Now, here in the next picture we have a bike. Yes, this is a man riding a bike, and we can say he travels by bike. Maybe he goes to work by bike. We can also say he travels by bike. Yes, or he goes to by bike. To the specific place, I mean, ¿sí? Al lugar específico. If we say he goes to work by bike, si va al trabajo en bicicleta, yes? Or he travels by bike. Travels means viajar, ¿sí? Él va en bicicleta o él viaja en bicicleta. That would be the translation here. Then we have in the last picture, yes, finally we have he goes to work by motorbike. Yes, the same example. Maybe he goes to work by motorbike. Then it is important for us, as you can see, in all of them, in all of the 5 pictures, you have the same word, by. See, by bus, by taxi, by plane, by bike, by motorbike. Yes, so that is important for us to take into account when we are naming the means of transportation that we use normally. Yes, que utilizamos generalmente. ¿Sí? El medio de transporte que utilizamos generalmente para ir al trabajo, para ir a la universidad, para ir de compras, ¿sí? O cuando viajamos, que también son diferentes tipos de transporte que se utilizan, ¿sí? Cuando vamos de viaje, de vacaciones, maybe, son diferentes a los que utilizamos comúnmente en nuestro diario vivir. Yes? So those are the examples here. Now, when we are traveling, we have some vocabulary that it is important for us to keep in mind. Yes? What is the passenger? This is the person who travels. Yes? A passenger is the pasajero. El pasajero. Yes? That is passenger. Passenger. Yes? Then we have a ticket machine. Yes, there are many places where you can go to the ticket machine and take out your ticket, buy your ticket, okay, donde pueden comprar su ticket. Yes, that is a ticket machine. Mainly you have them in the airports. Yes, generalmente hay de estos tickets machines en los aeropuertos. Yes, so that is a ticket machine where you can get a ticket. See? Then you have a gate. This is the specific place where you have to wait before you enter the means of transportation, before you travel. ¿Sí? Aquí es donde esperamos para iniciar nuestro viaje. That is gates. Yes, a gate. Now, we have 2 kinds of tickets. Yes, tenemos 2 tipos de tickets. A return ticket and a single ticket. Yes, a single ticket no significa que sea para uno solo. ¿Qué significa single ticket? Significa un ticket de ida, más no de retorno. Yes, solo un ticket de ida. That means when you, for example, a ticket from La Paz to Santa Cruz. Yes, ese sería a single ticket. Un ticket de ida desde La Paz hacia Santa Cruz. Yes, that is a single ticket. And now we have a return ticket here. Yes, this is a return ticket. This is when you have, for example, you buy a ticket from La Paz to Santa Cruz and from Santa Cruz to La Paz again, so you go back to La Paz. That is ida y vuelta. ¿Sí? Es el ticket de ida y vuelta. El single ticket, then, es el ticket solo de ida. Y el return ticket es el ticket, ¿sí? Nuestro boleto de ida y vuelta. Yes, that is the difference between a single ticket and a return ticket. And then we have a bus station where we wait for the bus. Yes, that is a bus station here. In the last videos, in the last lesson, we already learned about the airport. Yes, estuvimos hablando un poquito también acerca de algunos lugares. Nombramos también the airport. Yes. So all of these words are important for us to take into account when we are traveling. Yes, passenger, a ticket machine, a gate, a return ticket, a bus station, a single ticket. Yes? Excellent. Now, let's see what happens, yes, when we are traveling. There are some actions that we have to do, yes, when we, for example, are getting the bus. Yes, we are traveling, we have to get the bus, and so we have to make some steps before getting on the bus. Yes, let's see what are these actions. First of all, we go to the ticket machine. Vamos hacia nuestro ticket machine para comprar nuestro ticket. Yes, it could be a single ticket or it could be a return ticket, ¿cierto? Puede ser un single ticket or a return ticket. Un pasaje de ida simplemente o uno de ida y vuelta. Yes? What happened then? Una vez que compramos nuestros pasajes, we go to the gate, ¿sí? We go to the gate and then we have to wait for the bus. If we are traveling by bus, we have to wait for the flight. If we are traveling by plane, yes, or we have to wait for the train if we are traveling by plane. That will depend on the means of transportation that we are traveling by. Yes, eso va a depender de nuestro means of transportation. Now, once that we already wait for the bus, una vez que esperamos, ¿sí?, a que llegue nuestro means of transport, nuestro transporte, we show the ticket. Yes, first of all, we need to show to the other person the ticket. Ellos tienen que corroborar el ticket. Then, una vez que se corrobora el ticket, nuestro boleto, what do we need to do? We need to get on the bus. Yes, for example, here you have the picture. Get on the bus es subir, ¿sí? Subirnos al bus. En este caso, en este ejemplo, get on the bus. Once that we already arrived at our destination, una vez que llegamos a nuestro destino, we get off the bus. ¿Sí? Here we have two phrasal verbs. Tenemos dos phrasal verbs. Get on and get off. Yes, get on para subir al bus. Get off para salir del bus o bajar del bus. Yes, get on and get off. Get on the bus, get off the bus. Yes, so let's recap this information. First of all, we go to the ticket machine. Then, here we have the ticket machine. Then we buy a single ticket or a return ticket. Then we go to the gate. Yes, then we wait for the bus. After that, we show the ticket when the bus is already here. Yes, in the place. We show the ticket and we get on the bus, and when finally we arrived at our destination, we get off the bus. Yes, bajamos del autobús o del colectivo, como se les llama. Yes, or del train if we are on a train. From a car if we are on a car. Get on and get off lo podemos reemplazar aquí por cualquier otro means of transportation, no solo es para bus. ¿Sí? Lo podemos reemplazar por train, lo podemos reemplazar por car, yes, lo podemos reemplazar por plane. Entonces es reemplazable aquí el means of transportation, nuestro medio de transporte. Y nuestra phrasal verb, ¿sí?, es get on and get off. ¿Ok? Excellent. Now, let's see. We are going to continue here now with the grammar part of the indefinite article. We already worked on this before, yes, but we are going to check this again because now we have more words to add. Yes, tenemos más vocabulario para añadir. First of all, let's remember when do we use a and when do we use an. Yes, what is the difference between these two words? Because they mean the same. Ambas significan lo mismo, ¿cierto? Cuando nos referimos a un objeto en singular y este objeto no es definido, sino que es un objeto indefinido. Por eso es que se llama indefinite articles, ¿yes? A and an are indefinite articles, porque nos podemos referir a cualquier objeto, ¿sí? Un objeto que no es definido. Esa es la diferencia, ¿yes? Now, what is the difference? The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word, ¿yes? Depende del sonido con el que comienza la siguiente palabra, ¿yes? Tenemos que irnos más por el oír, por lo que escuchamos. Yes? Now, when the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use a. ¿Sí? Cuando la siguiente palabra, que va a ser un noun, un sustantivo, yes, a noun, comienza con una consonante, con un sonido consonante, utilizamos simplemente a. A book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. Yes, all of these words, the first sound here is a consonant sound. Yes, a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. Yes, all of them, their sounds starts with a consonant. Then we use a. Now, when the next word starts with a vowel sound, we need to use n. Yes? Así no tenemos choque de dos vocales. Entonces ahí es cuando le añadimos n a nuestro article. Yes? A nuestro indefinite article. Now we don't say just a, we say an. An apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Yes? Only one. We are referring as them as only one in singular. Recordemos que esto los utilizamos en los singulares. ¿Sí? Y la siguiente palabra, entonces comenzaba con un vowel sound. Yes, a vowel sound. That is the difference between these two. Both of them means the same. Ambas significan lo mismo. Uno o una, ¿sí? Representan uno. Por eso es que ellos son del singular. Now, let's see some and any. Yes? Some and any. Some algunos. Any ningunos. Yes, that is the difference between these two. Now, when do we use some and any? Both of them we use in plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Fíjense que los dos primeros que vimos los utilizamos en singulares, ¿sí? Singular nouns. Now, some and any, we need to use them in plural and uncountable nouns. ¿Cuáles son los uncountable nouns? Los que no podemos contar de a uno, ¿sí? Okay. We use some and any with plural and uncountable nouns. Now, some is used in positive sentences. Esta es la diferencia. Any is used in negative sentences. ¿Ok? Cuando utilizamos some, cuando nuestra oración es afirmativa. Y cuando utilizamos any, cuando nuestra oración es negativa. Yes? Let's see two examples here. Veamos dos ejemplos. I have some information for you about flights to Paris. This is a positive statement and this is uncountable. See, information is uncountable. So we use some. I don't have any information for you about flights to Paris. Yes, entonces, en la primera es la misma oración. ¿Cuál es la diferencia? La primera oración es una afirmación. Y en la segunda oración es una negación. I have some information for you about flights to Paris. Tengo información, ¿sí? Tengo algo de información acerca de los vuelos a París. Ahora, I don't have any, no tengo ninguna información para ti acerca de los vuelos a París. That is the difference, yes? Entonces, some lo utilizamos en las positive sentences and any in the negative sentences, yes? Now, let's see with plural countable nouns. Yes, some examples. We met some friends for drinks, after work yesterday. See? We met some friends. They are plural countable. Yes? And this is a positive statement. For drinks after work yesterday. Yes? Now, I didn't see any friends there on Thursday. No vi a ningún amigo. ¿Sí? Esa sería la negación. En la primera me encontré con algunos amigos, positivo. En la segunda no vi a ninguno de mis amigos, negativo. ¿Sí? That is the difference between some and any. Y ambos son del plural, si se fijan, ambos son plurals. Friends and friends. Siempre nuestro noun va a llevar la es o es, que nos va a ayudar a identificar que está en plural y que no está en singular, ¿sí? Que nos estamos refiriendo a más de un objeto o en este caso personas, ¿sí? Amigos, en plural. Then we have another example. This is also with an uncountable noun. I think we will have some time to speak to you today. Creo que tendremos algo de tiempo, ¿sí? Para hablar contigo hoy. Tiempo, el tiempo es incontable, no lo podemos contar. Yes? Por eso es que está contado como uncountable noun. And when we are talking about positive statements, we use some. Now, I don't think he will have any time to speak to you today. Any for uncountable nouns also, ¿sí? Para incontables y para los plurales. Entonces, some lo utilizamos en oraciones afirmativas. Any lo utilizamos en oraciones negativas, ¿sí? En el plural y con uncountable nouns. Plural and uncountable nouns. That is the difference. Y a and an los utilizamos en singular en todas, ¿sí? Lo utilizamos en oraciones afirmativas, en negativas y en preguntas. Como nos estamos refiriendo solo a un objeto, utilizamos este mismo artículo indefinido a or an. Yes, en nuestra afirmación, en nuestra negación y en nuestra pregunta. A diferencia de some and any, que some solo lo utilizamos en afirmación y any lo utilizamos en negación y en pregunta. Yes? Now, let's see here we are adding a new word. We have a, and, some, a lot of, and not any, que es el any en negación. A lot of. Look at the picture. Acá nos vamos a identificar de acuerdo a los dibujitos, ¿sí? ¿A qué se refieren? Some. We have a and only one. Solo uno. Yes, si se fijan en la imagen, tenemos solo unito. Ok. Use a or an plus singular noun for one thing or person. And use a before consonants and an before vowels. ¿Sí? Lo que vimos hace rato. There's a problem. Can I have an egg sandwich? ¿Sí? Lo que les decía hace rato. A and an lo utilizamos tanto en afirmación como en pregunta. ¿Sí? Y solo se refiere a un objeto o una persona, un lugar en singular, ¿sí? Uno solo y lo utilizamos en todas nuestras oraciones, positivas, negativas y preguntas. Now we have some. Look, some. Use some plus plural noun for a small number of things or people. Una pequeña cantidad. Yes, I have some sweets in my bag. Yes, tengo algunos dulces en mi bolso. Yes, I have some sweets. Now, we have a new one. A lot of. use a lot of plus plural noun for a large number of things or people. Una cantidad grande de cosas o personas. Yes, a lot of. Si se fijan la diferencia entre las dos imágenes, yes, a lot of tiene mucho más caramelos que some. Yes, that is the difference between these two. Use a lot of, okay, for plus plural noun for a large number of things or people. Are there a lot of students in your class? Are there a lot of students in your class? ¿Hay muchos estudiantes en tu clase? A lot of students. Yes? Are there? Porque recordemos que cuando hacemos la pregunta, acá estamos utilizando there is y there are, ¿sí? Que lo vimos la semana pasada, el viernes pasado. Y en la pregunta tenemos que hacer el switch. We have to change the words, ¿cierto? Ya iniciamos con el verbo to be and then the word there. Are there a lot of students in your class? And then we have not any, que sería ninguno. Yes, por eso es que tenemos ahí el caramelo y a cross. Nothing. Yes, not any. Use not any plus plural noun for zero. That means nothing. Zero. Okay? I don't have any bananas. There aren't any buses. Yes, no tengo ni una banana. Any bananas. Now, it says also use no plus noun for zeros. La palabra simplemente no y el noun. The word no plus the noun. Solo no y el sustantivo. I have no bananas. There are no buses. ¿Sí? Esta es otra forma también de decir que no hay. I have no bananas. No tengo. There are no buses. No hay. Yes, entonces, we have not any when it is zero the number, yes. And singular, plural and plural, yes. Some, algunos. A lot of, mucha más cantidad. Yes, that is the difference. Y si se fijan, a lot of lo podemos usar en pregunta. Los que varían son some and any. Some in positive, any in negative and questions, yes. That is the difference between some and any. A lot of, no hay ningún problema, lo podemos usar en las tres, en nuestras tres oraciones, positivas, negativas y pregunta. Yes? Now, we are going to cover, yes, the last topic of this session. Yes, we have some adjectives. What are adjectives? Yes, these are some words that help us to describe nouns. Nos ayudan a describir adjetivos, como los conocemos también en español. Yes, estas son palabras que nos ayudan a describir sujetos, ¿sí? To describe nouns. For example, como estamos con el tema, the means of transportation, yes, traveling. Okay, we have here six words, that help us to describe. Yes, tenemos 6 palabritas, 6 adjetivos que nos van a ayudar a describir quizás este medio de transporte. In the first one, yes, look at the first picture. Maybe this is a train, the underground, or the subway. Yes, those are similar. So, how is it? Yes, it is crowded, full of people. Crowded means full of people, lleno de personas. Eso es crowded, ¿sí? Cuando hay mucha cantidad de personas en un solo lugar. That means crowded, yes? Then we have noisy, yes, ruidoso. Then podemos decir que este medio de transporte this means of transportation is always crowded and noisy. Yes, full of people and very noisy all the time. Yes, muy ruidoso. Then we have also in the second picture, as you can see here, yes, this is an example, a motorbike. And as you can see there, yes, in the motorbike, when you travel by a motorbike, you travel fast. And it is also sometimes dangerous. Yes? Para algunas personas lo ven peligroso, riesgoso viajar en moto. Yes? Entonces, por eso lo utilizamos aquí. Podemos describirlo así. Rápido y peligroso también. Yes? Sometimes. So, this means of transportation is fast. And also it could be dangerous, peligroso. Yes? And in the third picture, as you can see there, there's a person in his bike. Yes, look at the beautiful view that you can see there. Yes, hay un hermoso paisaje y vista atrás de él. Yes, this is also a means of transportation. Bikes, remember, son también medios de transporte, pero son slow and safe, porque uno va más lento, ¿sí? En bike. En bicycle we go slow and safe, es un poquito más seguro. Sometimes, not always. No siempre es seguro y no por la persona que conduce, sino por las otras personas, ¿cierto? Porque uno en su bicicleta puede ir tranquilo, despacio, pero al igual que en todos los otros medios de transporte, creo que todos llegan a ser riesgosos. Si uno es cauteloso, pero la otra persona no lo es, entonces llega a ser igual de todas maneras dangerous. Yes? Pero hay algunos un poquito más seguros que los otros. Yes? It could be slow and safe. Bikes. Yes? Traveling by bike. Okay? So that would be all for today. Thank you for being here and see you on the next lesson.